Hello dear students, today the topic of the class is Butterworth digital filter, more specifically Butterworth IAR filter. Digital filters are of two types, IAR filter and FIR filter. So here this topic is from IAR filter. In this class I will be explaining about a problem, that is a design of a Butterworth digital filter. Okay, let us start the problem and its solution. The given question is design a third order Butterworth digital filter. Third order Butterworth digital filter using impulse invariant technique. Assume sampling period capital T is equal to 1 second. Okay. So, before going into the solution, let us have a quick review what it is. Okay. So, first what we have to do? We have to find the transfer function of an analog filter. Which filter? Butterworth filter. Analog Butterworth filter. And then digitize. By design of analog Butterworth filter means what we are trying to calculate here? H of S. We will calculate first H of S, the transfer function of analog filter, analog Butterworth filter, and then applying impulse invariant technique, transforming technique to design digital IAR filter. So, the design of digital IAR filter means what we will be getting? H of Z. So, the final filter name will be called as Butterworth digital filter. So, design of IAR filter is an indirect method, because first we have to find what is the transfer function of an analog filter and then find what is the transfer function of IAR filter. So, here the transformation technique to be used is impulse invariant. So, what is given to us in the question? Order is given. So, here the input is order is given to us, and based on this order you have to find what is its transfer function and then apply impulse invariant technique and find what is H of Z. So, design means what? What do you understand by design here? Design is means you are finding H of Z. You have to find what is H of Z. Okay, so let us start the solution. So, what is given in the question? Design a third order Butterworth digital filter. Third order means capital N value is given to be as, capital N value is given as to be as 3. Okay. So, for N is equal to 3, the transfer function of a normalized Butterworth filter we know. We have seen in our previous class how to write for N is equal to 3. So, H of S is equal to 1 by S plus 1 dot S square plus S plus 1. So, once we know the order, we can easily write the transfer function of the normalized Butterworth filter, which is coming to be this. Okay. Now, we have to do partial fraction, because we want to implement using impulse invariant. For impulse invariant method, we have to do partial fractions. So, this H of S is written as H of S, this transfer function is written as A by S plus 1 plus B by, on factorizing this term, we will be getting B by S plus 0.5 plus J 0.86 plus C by S plus 0.5 minus J 0.86. Okay. And then finding what are the values of A, B and C. Okay. So, how to find A? So, take this S plus 1 and multiply it in the denominator, hai na? S plus 1 divided by S plus 1 S square plus S plus 1. What is S equal to? Minus 1. So, substitute S is equal to minus 1 in this equation. So, on simplifying, on substituting S is equal to minus 1 here in this equation, we will be getting A as 1. Now for finding b. So b, take this denominator term and multiply here. Okay, so you will be getting b as s plus 0.5 plus j 0.86 by s plus 1 dot s square plus s plus 1, and then again factorize this part, you will be getting this. So the first second part will be cancelled. So on substituting s is equal to minus 0.5 minus j 0.86, you will be getting b as minus 0.5 plus j 0.8. Okay, and then finding c. What is c? C is conjugate of b. So b is coming as minus 0.5 plus j 0.28. So conjugate means the imaginary part sign is to be changed. So c will be coming as minus 0.5 minus j 0.28. So here we got a as 1, b and c. Substitute a, b, c values here, and then we will get the equation of this type. H of s is equal to a value is 1 by s plus 1, b value is minus 0.5 plus j 0.28 by s plus 0.5 plus j 0.86 plus c is equal to 0.5 minus j 0.28 by s plus 0.5 minus j 0.86. So what you have done till now, order is given 3, and then you have written the transfer function of a normalized Butterworth filter to be as 1 by s plus 1 dot s square plus s plus 1, and then factorized it and got the values of a, b and c. Okay, so this is the transfer function. This equation is a transfer function of the analog filter. Yes, this is a transfer function. Transfer function of analog Butterworth filter. Now what you have to do? You have to digitize it. You have to find using impulse invariant technique h of z. In impulse invariant technique, you have to write the transfer function in this form. We got h of s, then write it in this form. If h of s is equal to summation k is equal to 1 to capital N Ck minus s minus pk, we can directly transform this h of s to h of z by using this relationship. Whatever is h of s can be written as h of z using this relation. So what is h of z equation? Summation k is equal to 1 to n Ck minus 1 minus e to the power pk. Whatever is pk here, 1 minus e to the power pk t z to the power minus 1. Here sampling capital T is given as 1 second. In the question it is given. Capital T value is given as 1 second. If it is not given, you can assume capital T as 1 second and solve the problem. Okay. So on substituting, we will be getting this h of z as, what is h of s? 1 by s plus p. So transform this. Now from here, how to write this one? Using this relation. What is Ck? 1. 1 minus e to the power pk. What is pk here? Minus 1. T is 1. Z to the power of minus 1. So you have transformed this term to this term. Similarly, now coming to this term. What is Ck here? Minus 0.5 plus j 0.28 by 1 minus e. What is pk? Pk is this complete term. E to the power of minus 0.5, e to the power minus j 0.86, z to the power minus 1. Coming to this third term, it is written like this. So this numerator part is Ck. Ck you have written. Ck is minus 0.5. So this term is leading to this one, and this term is leading to this one. So here Ck is the same, minus 0.5 minus j 0.28. Ck you have written by 1 minus e to the power pk. What is pk? It's minus 0.5 e to the power j 0.86 z inverse. Okay. On further simplifying, we will be getting h of z as 1 by 1 minus 0.36 z inverse plus minus 1 plus 0.66 z inverse by 1 minus 0.78 z inverse plus 0.368 z to the power of minus 2. Yes. So, this transformation relation, if you remember, you can solve the problem. So, impulse invariant equation is h of z is equal to summation k is equal to 1 to n Ck by 1 minus e to the power pk capital T z to the power of minus 1. Okay. This is, what is h of z now? This is transfer function of Butterworth digital filter. So, we found h of z. Okay. So, what are the two necessary steps? First, find the transfer function of the analog Butterworth filter. First, find analog and then apply the transformation technique and find the digital filter transfer function h of z. I hope the solution is clear to you. Thank you. Good luck, students. If you have any comments, post in the comment section, feedback or queries. Thank you.